Introducing the most innovative and versatile dust and fine granule bait applicator ever invented, the Exacticide. It's handheld, battery operated, weighs just 3 pounds, and it's revolutionizing the pest control industry. For years, we've had many great dust and fine granule baits to choose from, but an efficient way to apply them has not been available until now. The Exacticide applies both of these products with equal ease and even distribution while enhancing professionalism. Pest control is easier and more effective than ever before. With the Exacticide applicator in hand and the quick change bait and dust canisters filled, you'll be able to terminate just about every pest infestation found in an industrial or home environment. Cracks, crevices, and other hard-to-reach areas are now simple targets for the plastic applicator wand. It's the perfect tool for exterminating carpenter ants, roaches, crickets, flying insects, and other pests found around cracks, wall voids, weep holes, crawl spaces, expansion joints, sidewalks, foundations, and on ant trails and mounds. The Exacticide eliminates the over-application of materials. It applies the exact amount of dust and fine granule bait necessary to eliminate pests, thus saving money and mess. Using the Exacticide, your technicians will be able to service more accounts than ever before. You'll be able to add more customers without adding employees, allowing you to keep your overhead down while increasing production. To maintain your Exacticide, remove the canister and purge the material feeder chamber daily. Then treat it with a dry lubricant periodically. Technicide backs the Exacticide with a 12-month warranty and a 15-day money-back guarantee. We believe you'll find it to be an essential tool that will not only save you time and money, but will raise your customer satisfaction as well.